Stop. Good morning. When we start being a basic ass YouTuber and vlog, let's be honest. It takes a lot of skill and effort to vlog, but also there's just a hint of, I want to be nice about this. There's like a hint of narcissism to film your entire life and like post about it, which is what I'm doing right now. So that's mean, I take it back. I don't think it's narcissistic. Actually, I don't take it back. Do I take it back? No, I don't. It's not mean. I think people who do amazing things in life, there's just like a hint of narcissism in what they do. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. As long as you just admit it, accept it. I guess what I'm trying to say here is, but people should just call it for what it is. I think if you're gonna vlog, there's an element of, oh, my life is interesting enough for people to share, which I think is great. Don't let that stop you. I started using AG1. It's not bad. I don't know if I can really tell the difference. It tastes pretty good too. My fridge is a mess. Don't look. Fill it up with some water. Every time I post a making coffee thing, some bloke on the internet always has to comment on my coffee pool. I know it's not perfect. I gotta post one thing on Instagram. I never know what to fucking caption my videos. Why the fuck I vlogging now, huh? Why? I think there's a lot coming up and I wanna create a story of my life that hopefully inspires some other people. And that is some egotistical shit, but my neighbors definitely hate me. I eat a lot of leftovers from shoots. Random shit just slapped together and usually on top of rice. If you want the best fried eggs, beef fat. Oy. Some dashi marinated ikura from a previous video. Brunch, lunch, breakfast, whatever. So for today I just got work. Gonna work out for a bit. Decided to kind of treat myself today. Try to find like a new hobby. Try to find myself. Pottery class at Bitterroot Pottery today. I asked the instructor to teach me how to make a bowl like this today. Wok style bowl. So look at the detail in this thing. I don't have high hopes for today, but I'm gonna try to attempt something like this. If you've seen the menu, they made a lot of the plates on there. Those weird looking obscure plates. I do get a lot of packages with this job. Ooh. Your wishes you a happy new year. Thank you guys. Damn. Whoa, 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 whoa. A toiletry bag? I already know there's people that are gonna be like, this spoiled brat just gets random shit. Yo, I work for my shit and I'm grateful for this. This is so nice. Thank you, Dior. For all my toiletries. All right, we gotta get back to work now. Currently reading the Body Keep score. I just got a text from the CDC of Pasta Bar. It's a 1-star Michelin restaurant in LA. Bring black pants, black shoes, a white t-shirt and apron. And I don't own a fucking white t-shirt, so I'll show you guys what it's like to work in a Michelin kitchen. Oh, let's go throw some clay. Good old Vespertine. Match. Nice little solo date. Look at all this. It's kind of crazy. Look at all those tripods. It's because we're in LA. Look at all these. I will be in this corner. There's no foot on this bowl. Like really hard to throw because there's no like stabilizer on the bottom. That's the foot of the bowl. This is Paige. She's been throwing for 15 years. Holy.
So see how right now I have a foot?
Yeah. How am I supposed to do that?
So then just
Yes!
nice. You got really tall on that one.
I hit it. I got my butt whooped. It's really therapeutic. I got inspired. I kind of want to just throw clay all day, but I've got other ambitions. I got a big day tomorrow. I just looked at my pants. I had an accident. Let's go get my ass whooped. Right before I have to go. It's okay. Today's gonna be a good day. No chips. Ouch. Owie. The test is you put on your nail, and if you push forward on your nail and it doesn't move, you're pretty sharp. Well, let's see how this goes. One quick stop to Budanoki. You say hi?
Hi. I get so awkward.
Dropping off a shrimp dish. There's a lot of testing that goes into recipes, especially at a restaurant.
I hate wearing anything but black.
We're cutting some kapachi for service tonight. These are our orders, cured in orange zest, lime zest, and salt.
How long is it curing for?
It cures overnight. Yeah, so those are the daily drivers and the secret stash. That tell Nenox, as well as a...
Who is Michael?
I'm Michael, I cook food.
DJ. Alright, you're gonna brunoise these poblanos.
Okay.
So we're gonna pickle these and they get hidden so they don't have to be like cutthroat fucking perfect.
At the same time, they gotta be cut perfect.
At the same time, do not fuck this up. I need like a full pint of brunoise. And then some dude I have no idea.
If that happens, then...
Check my first cut.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah.
Tape and label.
There's like no debris on top. And you're just gonna pretty much like strip them into pieces like this. And then you and I will cook this down too once you fill this bowl up.
I think that took me like an hour.
Between a Japanese Black Angus and then a Holstein. Yeah, I got that in for one of the new dishes.
To the bottom.
That won't take you very long. That's be a quick one. Real quick.
Sit down, brother. I want to watch.
They are just ready to go. It's just the black belt. You do?
Yeah.
Did you make a no nut for me?
How long you been cooking, Joe?
Me?
Yeah.
Shit. Since high school? Professionally? Since probably a couple years ago.
Oh, oil. Y'all have hands? Just getting some vegetables ready for service.
Yeah. We got 2 deuces, a 3, and a 4. 4 top, we have 1 no pork. but super VIP on that. I want everyone's eyes on that. Got a 4, 2 deuces, and then a single. The 4. So keep up the energy. I know we just had a week off. It's kind of harder to dust off the cobwebs. I feel like
Yeah, I'm always awkward.
They work.
That's my thing. Yeah, let's get it.
yeah.
T, do you have kosher? Or Malden, I mean?
Choke out.
Here you go, better.
There you got it.
Vlog on YouTube?
On YouTube. So it's 7:20. So it's been like 2 hours. Feel pretty good. Quick water break. There's so much flow going on in a restaurant that I think a lot of people don't quite understand. So got 2 more rounds of this. See you soon.
9:45. Oh, so not that much earlier. And then before we leave tonight, I'll go through what we're gonna be doing. Sounds like this saves me what I'm doing right now. Saves me like 5-10 minutes of my time. Yeah.
You tired?
Me? Bro, look at his face. Do I look tired? Do I look tired?
Like,
Do I look tired? Tired is Sunday.
why Sunday? Just all week, Wednesday through Sunday.
That's tired.
Going at it.
You know the salad that we plated up today?
Yeah.
Right, wake up. This is everything that goes into the salad.
Jesus Christ.
Right? But a lot of these are all do. So tartlets, he's gonna do. Duck liver mousse we did today. Tomorrow he's gonna do. You're gonna cut toasted almonds. You're gonna cut toasted almonds, and you're gonna cut toasted peanuts.
What if I have a peanut allergy?
You remember the rosemary and the sage?
Yeah.
You're gonna take that over.
Good shears. So, and then we'll have a black light so you will be able to see it.
Ooh, the shells?
Mm-hmm.
That's
That's good. For Michelin setting, that's yeah. So you get all the shells. There's different types of skirts.
No, because
It's 1:45 a.m. I got a flat tire on the way. I think I like went over a pothole or something. Just waiting for the towing company. My car doesn't have a spare tire on it. Anyway, life's good though. So today I learned so much. Oh, goodbye, my car. Day 2. I'm getting my ass fucking Ubered there.
I mean, you could do it. You could record it. You didn't break the knuckle check.
Oh, that part.
Yeah. You did. Yeah. There.
Handmade salad. Ooh, what we got here?
Some chicken soup.
Like literally.
Asian chicken salad for the win.
Yeah. Handmade.
Handmade.
Good job, Jesse. No car to get towed tonight. I'm so hungry. This is my personal favorite. This is the best thing in the world. I don't even know how to recap this. It is a very humbling experience. It's what you make of it. If you put in your all and you care, you will learn a lot, gain a lot of experience, knowledge that no one can take away from you. The chef didn't want me filming during service, which like with guests, filming while cooking, it's just kind of like, it's just not professional. How I look at my prep work that like a chef gives me, I look at it as like, okay, do this as best you can. Each time you're doing whatever action it is, like each chanterelle mushroom, like try to do it better than the last one. And like that's the best you can do for yourself. As you try to figure out like your rhythm and your motions and how to not waste movement, you'll get faster, faster, faster. You can cut it down to like 45 minutes. Then I'll have an extra 45 minutes to work on something else. The second day of me doing the chanterelles, I got better, I got faster. It's easier for me to split the chanterelle in half first, then clean it. And it's such a niche activity. Being able to clean and peel chanterelles is like, like it's not really an applicable skill to a lot of things in the world. But it's like the mindset that I have going into it, which is like, if I'm working on this one thing, I better be getting a little bit better, a little bit faster, a little bit cleaner. Like, I'm still hungry. The leftover soup, make some leftover rice. You essentially just cook this down to a porridge. There we go. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's good. These are yuzu kosho roasted and pickled shimeji mushrooms. Oh, they're so good. The mentality of like trying to improve and trying to excel and will help you rise the ranks of the kitchen system. At least this is how I know it. And this is like what I've learned. I've technically never worked in a restaurant. I've only interned at places. They said if I want to come back anytime in Stodge, like they would love to have me and I would love to go back. So and definitely get more footage of like the different pastas they make, because I know I didn't actually show that much pasta. Just seeing how much work goes into this is really humbling and exciting. Oh, it's so good. The pickled mushrooms with it too. I've never really said before. Ever since I got into cooking, and ever since I started doing my supper club, like I had this dream of opening my own restaurant. I love hosting people, just like making people feel happy. It's like why I do like dinners at home and stuff. I'm trying to do it the right way. I'm trying to do it where I actually work in kitchens and learn, because eventually I want to open my own restaurant. I would like a Michelin star. I'll be honest, there's like that ego in me that like wants a Michelin star. And I think I can. And for now, film my personal journey and like learning to become a chef. Maybe the way to call this vlog is like the focus of this is like to watch my journey, a home cook to like a real fine dining Michelin cook. Along the way, you get to learn and see what it's like to work in a kitchen, what it's like to run a kitchen. I just want to show you guys what my life is like. And hopefully one day you guys will be able to eat in my own restaurant. Maybe it has a Michelin star, maybe it doesn't, maybe it's Korean food, maybe it's just an ice cream shop. Who knows? 2 days of working at Pasta Bar, I think has taught me more than in the last like 6 months. Called books or whatever. Like you learn that much when you are really focused on just absorbing as much knowledge like a sponge as you can. It's just so good. Peace. Bye-bye. My cinnamon toast crunch ice cream is just... My recipe's on Instagram. It's so good. Oh. Oh. My ice cream is fucking good. Now I sound like an arrogant prick. I'm gonna be a fat fuck when I'm old. Good night.